Okay, this is the project of the day here. Actually, one of two projects. I inadvertently forgot to unplug the truck camper while I was in a hurry to move things, so it tore off the cover door here. And it also caused some damage in the wire jacket. You can see that a little tiny bit of the ground wire is exposed, and you can see that there is paper wrap between the wires. So this, I'm not concerned about that. The insulator is torn only on the green. Usually the green wire is a bare wire anyway, and the black and white wires are in fine condition. So we're just going to put some tape over that. I've got a heavy tape and a electrical tape that we're going to use. Okay, so let us do that. This here is my 20 mil thick PVC tape, and I'm just going to put that over the cut like that, and just wrap it around the wire this way. Okay, so that is a heavy wrap cover over the part of the wire that got sliced. Then we're going to take this roll of electrical tape here, and we're just going to give it a double wrap. So that's a wrap from down here up and a wrap back. Just one continuous wrap. And that will provide plenty of protection on this wire. So let's just give it a wrap on up, and we'll wrap about an inch past the 20 mil PVC stuff, give it a couple of wraps, and then come back out. And of course it's a little bit tighter up in here, but that's all right, we'll get it. Okay, now I'll start making my way back outward. And this is my second or double wrap. And cut it with a knife. Okay, and there we go. That wire is basically good as new. It will never cause another problem. All right, so let's remove the screws. And got our little Makita impact driver here. So the new part I got from eTrailer.com. It was like $45, and I actually like the new one better. It has a frame on it, a full frame that will stick inside. So there you see it here. Cable hatch by Volterra. So it's the same size, lock, everything. All right, so let us proceed with the operation. It has a little pack of parts taped on. Let me grab my knife here to cut the old caulk away. Always being careful not to slice your fingers. Okay, and that's handy. My knife is coming apart as we go here. So let's come across under. Okay, let me go grab my scraper blade. Here we go, my Husky multi-paint scraping tool. And it is one of the handiest tools you can have in your bag of tricks. Okay, so there we go. Let's unplug the cord back here and pull it through. Okay, and there's the new one. Shove it on up. Okay, so actually feeling this feels like a better plastic than the new one, but that's all right. So you can see the new one has this frame that goes all around on the inside, which is kind of nice. And so we'll see what happens. So let's scrape the rest of this stuff off, and then we'll hit it with some brake cleaner. Okay. All right, so. Okay. Get some brake cleaner on paper towel here and wipe things down. Try to keep as much of the brake cleaner off of me, my hands and skin as possible. If I had gloves, I would use them, but right now I do not have any gloves. Those nice thick black nitrile gloves are good. One more wipe, and then I believe we will be ready. But the more you know how to fix your own truck camper, the more affordable it's going to be for you to go camping and enjoy yourself. When you have to pay a shop to do this stuff, it can eat up your budget real fast. Oh, what do you know? The old holes line up with the new holes. Let's get our Ookie stuff on here. We got 4 pieces of stuff. So I think one is a little longer than the other, maybe. No, they're about the same. All right. We'll put this stuff over the top Okay, that was the first half. Now let's get the second half. All right. Hey, what's up?
Just thought I'd call you and see what's going on.
That was a quick, friendly call from the unknown mechanic, checking to see how things are going. He knows that I have several truck camper projects going on, and he's going to come up in the next week and help me do all 4 brakes. F-250 4-wheel drive, front and rear. You will not want to miss that video. Okay, so that is it. We have the new electrical cover on. Everything's all nice and cleaned up. One thing I did do is I didn't like how sharp this edge inside here is. You can see over here, this is a pretty sharp edge. So I decided to put a layer of the 20 mil tape over it, which rounds it off very nicely and will prevent any chance of the cord cutting it. And I just noticed that I'm going to need to put one on this side here too, because sometimes the cord goes this way, sometimes it goes that way, but whichever way it pulls against that plastic, it's going to cause a cut in the insulator of the wire, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm going to tuck the tape behind here. I should have done this before, but I didn't realize how sharp it was. The wire was kind of catching and wanting to shave itself on the edge. So just one little precaution to make when you are installing this. Much better. So now the wire will slide past that instead of wanting to grip onto it or be skinned, because it was kind of like a planing surface in there to peel wire off. Now it won't. Okay. And now it pulls out smooth. Okay. And the new lock is a better, more secure lock. So I'm going to have to upgrade all of my locks to match that. Okay, so that concludes that. The next project is to do the air conditioning shroud. That'll be tomorrow. It's getting late now. Okay, sign off.